Welcome back to Simple Pool Maintenance course. In our previous lesson, we introduced you to the basic cleaning tasks involved in pool maintenance. Now, let's take a deeper dive into each technique to ensure your pool remains as clean and sparkling as possible. Let's start with skimming like a pro. Skimming is a daily task that can have a big impact on the cleanliness of your pool. Skimming basics. Using a long-handled leaf skimmer, gather debris from the pool's surface. Make sure to reach into all corners and don't forget to empty the skimmer basket as it fills up. Skimming tips. Start from one side of the pool and move systematically to the other to ensure you cover the whole area. Use slow, smooth movements to avoid pushing debris away from the skimmer. Next is brushing your pool. Regular brushing prevents algae growth and removes dirt particles. Brushing basics. Start at the shallow end and move to the deep end, brushing walls first, then the floor. Always brush debris towards the main drain where it can be vacuumed up. Brushing tips brush at least once a week. More if your pool has problems with algae. Ensure you're using the right brush for your pool surface, nylon for vinyl and fiberglass, wire for concrete. Vacuuming your pool. Vacuuming your pool keeps the water clear and reduces the amount of chemicals you need to add. Vacuuming basics. Connect the vacuum to your filter system and use it to remove debris from the pool floor. If using an automatic pool vacuum, make sure to check on it regularly to ensure it's not stuck or out of service. Vacuuming tips. For manual vacuuming, use slow, overlapping strokes. Vacuum your pool once a week, or more frequently if it gets heavy use, or if there's been a storm. Lastly, cleaning the pool deck. The area surrounding your pool also needs to be cleaned to ensure debris doesn't end up in the water. We have deck cleaning basics. Sweep the deck regularly to remove leaves, dust, and other debris. Hose down the area and use a pool-safe cleaning solution for a deeper clean. Deck cleaning tips. Covering your pool when it's not in use can prevent a lot of debris from getting in. Regularly check for any cracks or damage on the deck surface to prevent injuries and further damages. A sparkling clean pool is achieved with consistent and effective cleaning. By adopting these skimming, brushing, vacuuming, and deck cleaning techniques, you'll be able to maintain a clean and safe swimming environment.